So yesterday, I mean, we knew it was going to happen. We just didn't know what the parameters were going to be of the extension of the curfew. Well, let me tell you, Prime Minister Andrew Holness not joking with COVID-19, as he should. So he announced a couple of changes to the government's orders to strict movement with the aim of limiting the spread. We are going to flatten this curve. So the new curfew orders, Wednesday, April 8th, that's gone at 8 p.m. to 6 a.m., that still was relevant. Today, Thursday, April 9, 8 p.m. to 7 a.m. So there's an additional hour tomorrow morning, Good Friday. Then from Good Friday to Easter Monday, 3 p.m. to 7 a.m. So 3 in the afternoon
Tomorrow
is when the curfew, tomorrow
is when the curfew starts.
is when the curfew starts. And then you have 7 a.m. So you can hit the road after 7 a.m.
On Saturday morning.
Saturday, Sunday, and Monday.
Okay.
Saturday, Sunday. So for the Easter holidays, that's it, folks. 3
So Friday afternoon at 3, Saturday afternoon at 3, Sunday afternoon at 3, you are to be in your homes.
And Monday.
And Monday afternoon at 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Monday.
Until 7 o'clock the next morning. All right.
And then it will, I think on Tuesday, so 7 a.m. Tuesday it's lifted. And Tuesday night we get a little
Reprieve.
time. So, oh gosh, me in from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. all this time. Now I've extended the hour at night. So the curfew as of Tuesday, April 13 will be 9 p.m. And then in the mornings it's 5 a.m.
I hear him talking about giving us latitude because most of the nation has been doing so well with this curfew order that he initially put into place. But I don't really know if we deserve. I feel like we deserve no latitude because some people are still not listening. To be honest,
No, they're not. But they always tell me, say, "Oh, can't hear will feel."
But then we feel, but we are going to feel when they feel is a problem.
Me will lock up. Them can't be. Me will lock
Yes,
myself.
it's true.
That's where we are now.
Jamaicans
That's where we are now. When you meet selfish people, you have to kick in your own self-preservation.
That's right.
So if you're constantly saying let's protect each other, and the other person is saying I'm not protecting myself and I'm not protecting you, then you have to protect yourself. So that's that. All beaches will be closed over the Easter weekend, by the way. So don't think that because it's 3 p.m. I can go to the beach until 1 o'clock. There will be no beaches open. No. And then that runs the extended curfew 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. runs until April 21. During the period from April 8th to 21, so we're in that period now, persons are being encouraged to wear a mask that is fitted to cover the nose and the mouth while in public places. The following categories of persons are required to wear a mask: persons ill with respiratory or flu-like symptoms, persons caring for someone at home with a flu-like or respiratory illness, elderly persons over the age of 65, and persons with comorbidities, hypertension. And we know how much we in Jamaica have hypertension and diabetes.
Of course.
So put on a mask, please. All right. Persons 70 years and over and persons who are ill shall remain at their place of residence with effect from April 8 to 21. So never get bus.
Unless you're leaving for food or medicine, it says.
Honestly, for food.
And you know he do not cook, so he will.
So never get
his
bus.
food and cook.
He never get bus. He get bus. Him get bus.
Back in.
All right.
Okay.
This one is
Yeah, this is a risk analysis study commissioned by the cabinet, spearheaded by Dr. Paris Leo Ayi Jr., who's the director of the Mona Geoinformatics Institute at the UWI Mona. He's found that more than 40 communities in the KMA, that's the Kingston Metropolitan Area, are the most at-risk areas in Jamaica for COVID-19 transmission, I should say. According to, addressing a special select committee of Parliament reviewing developments relating to COVID-19, Dr. Leo Ayi said that with the exception of Whitehall, the areas registering the highest scores in terms of at-risk communities were below halfway tree. Don't know if that's a surprise, because when you think of demographics and urban planning and how closely people live and how many people may live in one Port Antonio, Spanish Town, Mobay also featured as the major regions outside of the KMA in the top 50 hotspots island-wide. Let me see, does he list the actual communities? A review of the pattern of COVID-19 cases across the country reveals 6 unique hotspots that are for the most part isolated. The study showed warm spots in Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth. When we begin, he says, to combine urban areas and the characteristics of urban areas with population density, looking at poverty conditions, old age concentrations, diabetes, hypertension, we begin to see very interesting patterns. He noted that Norbrook in St. Andrew has relatively higher proportions of older people with diabetes and hypertension, but have low population densities and poverty levels. I guess we should make the difference between whether they're a hotspot
or warm.
Right.
But
So
if you're warm, it means you can't get hot, so you have to be careful. I'm guessing one of the things they could do, I'm guessing one of the things they could probably do is let the people in the communities be aware, or the councillors, the members of parliament, so that special attention is paid to those schools. Those communities.
Yes.
No, I have to say this one. Lois Kelly Miller, grandmother to our very own Scott Wilson here at RJR Communications Group. But, wow, what a lady. Piano, drama teacher, actress. This is her in Meet Joe Black. I think all Jamaica was proud when they saw her in this film. And if you heard Brad Pitt's Jamaican accent, they'll tell you that she was very instrumental in the way he absolutely nailed it.
Good news. No, I come to see the doctor. Doctor? Mm-hmm. What could be wrong with you? Nothing. Oh, you come to see doctor, lady?
Yeah, man.
My doctor, lady?
Mine too, you know.
You in love? You loved back? She know your real self.
powerful scene, eh?
I'm telling you.
Oh, gosh.
I'm telling you. Very, very close friend of Miss Lou. You see them there. Did a lot of pantomimes together. One of the most noted ones was Queenie's Daughter, which was first staged in 1963. She lived to the wonderful age of 102.
Can you imagine that?
What good.
Theatre
What
community
goodness,
mourning her.
What good.
Auntie Faye tweeting yesterday, she was more than a mentor. She was a senior friend, not just my age group friend. You could also always expect to learn something from her.
Yeah, man.
Adding fellow actresses Leonie Forbes, Grace McGee, and Ruth Hoshing always looked forward to visiting her.
Very classy lady. Very classy lady.
Yes. Rest in peace, our sweet, and may light perpetual shine on you. Scotty Rankin and your family, our condolences go out to you guys at this time.
All righty, it's time for birthdays. Marlon, Anthony, good morning. How are you? Lux, I know Asha can't throw the usual birthday party that they want to.
They will, eventually.
They'll find a way. Yeah. But please enjoy the day, my love, and all the best to you. Yeah.
That's it?